How to close a Bank of America account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can close a Bank of America account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First thing, open up your web browser and search for close bank account of Bank of America. Then you'll see this Bank of America frequently asked questions. So if you simply head over there, they will show you how you can do that. So there are different processes for different types of account. So right here, if you see an option that says, how do I close my account? This one, if you expand on it, you will see that there are a lot of different options. So you can actually directly call at this number to share your feedbacks. So you can do that first if you are not sure about closing an account. So if you want to close it by, just to open or switch to a new account, you can simply tap on this option. And if you want to close a checking or saving account, here you will see the, process. You can visit the financial center near you and you can make an appointment, or you can give them a call at this number right here and have your account number ready. Also, you can send a request writing to Bank of America. You can see all the details available. And again, that you will need to do these many things for your mail. So right here, you will need to include your name, address, and account number on the mail, and all the account owners need to sign it. Also, you will need to have balance. If you have balance, you will need to let them know so they can transfer it to another account. And yeah, as you can see, there are different options. And if you want to close a credit card account, there is a different process. So just follow along with this process. You can just call to this number directly to know the process better as well, or simply write them a mail to close your account. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video cleared out any questions that you had. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.